Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about the causes of vaginal infection and how you can prevent it. You know the vagina has both good and bad bacteria that helps to prevent infection and maintain the pH level of your vagina. But when there is an overgrowth of the bad bacteria, it leads to infection, which can cause itching. And when there is also a problem with the good bacteria, it also leads to infection, which can also cause itching. So today I'll give you 5 causes of vaginal itching and how you can prevent this itching from reoccurring. Number 1, sexually transmitted infection or sexually transmitted disease. You know, when you have sexually transmitted infection like gonorrhea, syphilis, or chlamydia, there's a possibility that your vagina will start itching. When you have gonorrhea, you have syphilis, you have chlamydia, you have genital herpes, it's a possibility you will start crashing or you start itching your vagina. It will be very itchy and you can't even manage. So that's the first point. The second point is infection. Yeast infection is a bacterial growth around the vulva. When I'm talking about the vagina or the vulva, I'm talking about the labia minora, the labia majora, and the clitoris. That's where the itching occurs. When you have this yeast infection, you start realizing some thick vaginal discharge, which is sometimes is brown in color, at times is green in color, at times is even gray. It has some foul odor, it's so smelly, and you cannot withstand it. When you have yeast infection, there is a possibility that your vagina will start itching, and this one is very serious. The itching that comes with yeast infection, you cannot bear it. In the market, you will itch it. At the bus stop, you will itch it. Even in church, you will still itch it. Even when you are in the nightclub, you will still itch it. The third point, the use of synthetic underwears. As a lady, it is advisable to use cotton underwears. When you make use of synthetic underwears, there's no space for air to go around your vagina. There is no way moisture can be absorbed because it is synthetic. Synthetic don't absorb moisture. And you know, when air is trapped to moisture, it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, thereby causing itching. Just take, for example, you are wearing a synthetic pant and you are on your menstrual flow. There's moisture. There's no air can circulate because everything is locked inside. What do you think will happen? In the next few hours, you just start itching. You start itching. Even when you are not on your menstrual flow and you wear synthetic pants, there's no place where air can penetrate in and out. And the moisture is just the moisture is just going to your pants. There's nothing to absorb the moisture. The moisture keeps circulating around your vagina. That's very wrong. You just start having itching immediately. The next point, douching. For ladies who douche. When I mean douching, I'm talking about using chemicals to wash the inside of your vagina. When you use chemicals to wash the inner part of your vagina, you destroy the pH level of your vagina and you make your vagina open to infection. So please, ladies, stop douching. I know people will say, if you don't douche, how are you going to clean yourself? No. If you want to wash your vagina, just use clean water to wash around the vulva, the labia minora and the labia majora. That is all. Don't use chemicals to douche your vagina. You destroy the pH of your vagina and this will lead to other infection and itching. Serious itching, because there is nothing to protect your vagina again from infection. The pH has been destroyed. The pH is off balance. You are open to infection. So please, ladies, stop douching. Another point, stop using soap to wash your vagina. Some soaps have harsh chemicals. When you use them, it irritates your vagina. You know, the vagina is very sensitive. The vagina is not like your skin. No. The vagina is it's very sensitive. It's sensitive. So when you use soap to wash your vagina, you destroy the pH and you make it very open to infection. That's when you start having serious itching. Now, I want to tell you how you can prevent this vagina itching. Number one, stop using soap to wash your vagina. Don't use soap to wash your vagina. When you wash your vagina with soap, you will have itchy vagina. But when you just wash it with water, you are free to go. Number two, make use of cotton underwears. It's very affordable, it's very cheap. Because when you use synthetic underwear, there is no room for air and there is no way moisture can be absorbed. It leads to itchy vagina. Number three, hygiene. Your personal hygiene is very important as a lady. I know nobody is perfect, but we are all driving we are all trying to be perfect. Wash your vagina at least twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. This will help you for so many things. This will not only help you to stop vagina itching, but it will help you to also feel good. When your vagina is clean, you have that feeling of comfortability. Another point, stop using douching. Stop douching. Stop using materials or chemical to douche. It's not a good practice. One very important and very last point, practice safe sex. What do I mean by safe sex? If you have one partner, it is okay. You can have sexual intercourse without using a condom. But when you are having several or multiple sexual partners, which is very normal, yeah, it's very normal, make use of condom. Yes, when you are having multiple sexual partners, make use of a condom. It is your choice. Another point, change your sanitary pad regularly when you are on your menstrual flow. This is very important for us ladies. You see, most ladies will complain, after my menstrual flow, I used to realize some itching. It is because you allow your sanitary pad to stay for so long without changing it. When you're on your menstrual flow, there's no room for air. There's a lot of moisture. Everything is stuck down there. The only thing you can do is to make sure